Welcome to Bangkok. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy Martin coming at you from the Maeklong Railway Market, which in Thai is Talat Rom Hoop, which loosely translates into umbrella pull-down market. In English, it's more commonly known as the Maeklong Railway Market, and it is literally a market built on train tracks. And the train tracks are actually in use today, and a train comes here 8 times a day. Train's about to come any day now. I hear something. I think it's coming. I think it's coming, guys. It's coming any moment now. So every time the train comes, the vendors pull up these roofs that are, you know, basically umbrellas. And that's why in Thai it's called the umbrella pull down market, because they pull down the umbrellas, aka the roofs. Is it roofs or roofs? I don't know. Anyway, it's a cool place with a long history. It's been around more than 100 years. Originally, I believe in 1901, a company called the Thachin Railway Limited company got a concession from the Royal Thai government to start building a railroad. And 2 or 3 years later, they finished it. And well, they finished one half of it, and then a different company built the other half the next year, and then in 1907 they merged into one railroad company. Now from 1907 all the way until 2020, with me sitting here at this awesome cafe, I Pump Ipon Thai Tea Cafe, shout them out. The lady here is awesome. She's really helpful as far as like telling me when the train's coming and just logistics and stuff. So if you do come here, check them out. I Pump Ipon Thai Tea Cafe, very good place. I'm giving you a shout out. Yeah, more people come. And since that time, from 1907 to 2020, it's undergone a change of hands several other times. At one point, the Thai government took control over it. And then during World War II, the Thai military took control over it. And yeah, it has a fascinating history. And today it's most commonly known for people like me coming here and making these types of videos. But yeah, it's definitely a cool place, cool vibes. It's not the first type of market like this I've been to. The first one I've been to was in Hanoi. But this one's really cool. I do recommend it if you get a chance to come to Bangkok. It takes about an hour, actually like more like 2 hours to come here. So, all right, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm about to sign off. If you liked it, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. More dope content coming. Peace.